Welcome back. First of the programming series is sequence. Now, the first three constructs are sequence, selection, repetition. I'm going to cover sequence. Sequence is programs are written or program instructions are written in order. So a compiler or a translator which reads your code and converts into computer readable form, it'll go in that order. In fact, most of the programming languages will have a line number which refers which is the first one, which is second and third, and so on. Now you can see on the screen, I have put that as a small example how these lines are executed. Unless otherwise you have given any instructions to jump those lines, in fact that's kind of selections, or if you have asked to repeat some lines many times, this is kind of iteration. Otherwise, it'll continue to go in that sequential order. Now, when you're writing this sequential order, make sure, use the logic and make sure that's what you wanted to do, the steps one after another. Now, at this point, I also wanted to remind you, there is important in some programming language indentation. Indentation means that you use a tab or a space to show what is done in these certain parts of it. Now, especially subprograms, or if you're writing something within a main line, which will be indented. Now, you will learn that when you see further in the programming. So, summarizing this particular part, sequence. Sequence means the order of operation. Every instruction that will be actually gone from the top all the way down. Okay, so that's how it's going to be done. Now, you might actually wonder, I did mention about compilation or interpretation, or like translate the human language, or sorry, the programming language into a machine language. Now, this differs programming language to programming language. So I'm not going to go into interpreters or compilers now, but you know that once you write the program, that's kind of the order it's going to be translated into a machine code.